To use Gliffy, you can just search gliffy.com and click on the first link here. It brings you to the Gliffy website. I've also linked it in my website, and then you just go to free trial, and then it tells you about Gliffy. And I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account that I already have, and then I'll pick up from there. So now that I've logged in, here are my diagrams that I've done. Here I'll click into my sequence diagrams I did for my ISA class. So here you can see on the left side all of these different shapes that you can use. So you can click down and see many more. UML classes, this is all things I've been using for my ISA class. There's different shapes and arrows, and if you hover over them it shows you what they mean. There's images that you can bring in, lots of things on this side. You just grab whatever you want and pull it in here, and then you can edit it like so. You can name it up here whatever you want. Here's a text box if you want to add that. Here's some shapes. If you just want to grab and move things around, you can use the palm to point, and then you can go over here and save it in the end, and then you can bring it out as a PDF or whatever you need to turn it in. So Gliffy's a great website to be able to use if you want to create a graph or a diagram or something like that. Just like drop, pull, and you can put whatever in there.